What it do, YouTube? We out here with another banger. My boy Jeff out here finna fix my headlights, man. Headlight restoration with the clear coat. Finna see what he talking about. That's bowling ball. Yes, sir. My boy Jeff on the job. Yeah, boy.
The wind ain't blowing at all.
Yeah, that bit ain't blowing. Yes, sir.
Put that on,
How you want this?
up under this windshield wiper. They can duck it under there. So it can stay right there.
Alright. It's up under there, my boy. Gotta line it up. Bowling ball, boy. That boy Jill. Yeah, see, I gotta get me a whole nother bumper right here, man. I'm gonna get a whole nother bumper that ain't got that lining on there. And when they repaint it, it's just gonna be straight paint. None of that. None of that clear shit.
Where you be going getting your parts?
I get mine from Rock Auto.
Yeah, Rock Auto got good parts.
Oh yeah, you know about that?
Just about like Amazon.
No, Amazon high hell.
Huh? Amazon higher than Rocco?
Hell yeah, Amazon higher than Rocco. Rock Auto, boy. That boy Jeff gotta tape it up, boy. They look bowling ball right now, boy.
Oh, you want the drip. You want the drip.
Hell yeah, I want that bitch to drip. Yes, sir. Headlight restoration. Clear bowling ball. Yes, sir. That boy
got to be with it to get that bowling ball.
That boy got a good tape method, boy. He said, gotta be with it to get that bowling ball. Hey, man, I seen old boy in there with the Cadillac, man.
Yeah, but you know what? Don't worry about the ones that acting like they want to do it.
I had seen him in there.
He know I had talked with him and told him to put it on the wall.
He said y'all got different lunch schedules, man.
Yeah, but my lunch schedule in here, all he had to do was leave it on the wall.
Yeah.
You see me out here.
Yeah.
I'm about my business now.
Yeah, I get it. I get that now.
I ain't saying that he ain't, but unfortunately we didn't line up right. No, I need to bring it back closer to this as I can get it so that I needed to go like this and up under there, like the edge.
Y'all had a lot of work in the other day?
Who, we?
Yeah.
No, we ain't had nothing. We just there, man.
Just making time go by. That's what y'all doing.
You can't forget the side, man.
He said, can't forget the side of the bowling ball.
Side again.
Oh, yeah.
You got to do the side again. Taking him, slinging it.
Taught you how to do this right here.
Me.
Your hands on.
Mm-hmm. What I'm about?
Boy, Jeff got that bitch taped off like he finna get painted.
I'm finna get the business. See, we don't want, my objective is to take it and don't let it fall back down. I want it to drop right here, but I don't want it to fall back down on my work as I get in the time to flash and get dry.
Bowling ball. They don't know about this.
We ain't gonna see it, man. I'm finna get that wet.
Wet.
You see how I stared him down?
All right, so the objective is to get this bowling ball. This gonna be clear. You feel me? Clear. It's clear, but it's a little dull. It's clear, but it's a little dull. What you say you had stared them down?
You seen?
Yeah, I seen it. That was crazy. That was a standoff. Bowling ball.
He ain't see it coming.
Preparation. Ooh. What about this? You want to hit that right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the tape up.
Just to line that off.
I may let you helping be my prepper the way you not know how to do shit. You know you had it in you. I need to get that bottom and lay down. I don't need to have
You
none.
really don't need it, but it'll be all right. Damn, I wish you could have hit that lack, man. That lack clean, ain't it?
Yeah, that lack.
Boy, that lack clean, boy.
That lack need this him. Where you at, Colin?
I ain't got it number now, but shit, he probably gone now. That bitch silver, the lack, that bitch silver, that bitch clean too, boy.
Yeah, but he don't want the ball.
And they don't want to pay for the ball, man. I'm gonna tell you that now. When they see this, they gonna be like, oh, I gotta pay for the ball.
You can't even tell them about the ball, folks. They think you beating them with the ball.
Yeah. Crystal ball.
They won't go get them a damn headlight, about two so. See,
Yeah, now some new of these, some new one, the whole new one of these, boy, that shit by one. They by 200, a whole new set by 200. By 200. I was gonna do that though, Joe. I was gonna do that.
We're gonna put you in the game for the 40, and then you want to go somewhere down the line and do another vehicle.
Hell yeah, I gotta do the cut dog.
I'm finna do
Cut dog gonna be 60 ball. Probably 75 ball. On the tip side.
You don't want to cut no corner.
No. The 75, that's the 75, that's looking out. That's on the tip side. You know what I mean?
So when I get to spraying, don't act like that I need to hold out on it. Put it on there.
75 ball. Cutlass 75 ball. I mean, the cutlass shit ain't yellow. It probably just like that. But the 75 ball just gonna be love. You know what I mean?
I telling somebody today, you initiate all this.
Yeah.
Lord ain't said nothing. He act like I ain't did nothing. And all the time want to know, man, what you put on them lights? They asking
Want to know the sauce.
You want to know about the sauce.
Yeah, he said he want to know about the sauce.
Yeah.
Look how he got that thing lined up professional and smooth. Ooh, he got that bit all the way to the rim. All the way to the rim, man. See that? The bowling ball gonna go and get you in the game, cause when you get it painted, them already gonna be ready. Them already gonna be ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay it down enough because it'll be the next 2 or 3 years. I ain't gonna hold out like I'm running out. If I need 3 more cans on it, I got it.
He said, I got it.
Prep in effect.
Prep in effect. Unpredictable. Unpredictable.
Put this there behind that there. It's gonna stay.
And it gonna stay.
Put that there up.
But at the same time though, if that boy Jeff got papers. If that bitch get to blowing, I hold it. Yeah, man, we out here, man. Just a nice little video for y'all today. Headlight restoration. My boy Jeff.
All right.
New to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe, that like. Shit, we dropping them. Bangers. Oh, yeah.
We ain't gonna skin them back too much. We just want to skin them back enough.
Oh, yeah.
Lay some more on there.
This just the preparation right here. Bowling ball preparation. Yes, sir. He putting that special magic on there right now. Then we're gonna bring it out. He putting that special clear magic on there.
Easy does.
They don't know what that is. He had to put it in a secret bottle.
Tell them we finna stack the deck.
Stack the deck. He had to put it in a secret bottle. They be like, hey man, what that is you put on there? Done. They think it's done. Secret. Secret top tier stuff. Exclusiveness. Ooh. Yes, sir. Then he gonna hit it. Then he got a buff machine. He gonna hit it with the buff. Boy, you can see the crystal clear in it already, boy. Ooh. You can see the crystal clear coming out. Be like a police light on it. Yeah, man, you got to get you some business cards. That's the next go round, though.
You got
Business card. Business card. I think I know a lady that makes some, though, man, for the low. I have to get in contact with her, though.
What I want on there, yeah.
Yeah, because she going to want to know all that. She want to know what you want on there. Internet shit, social media shit, phone number. She going to want to know all that. Shit, we out there be working though, boy. Crystal effect.
We just recently done it, but we just want
Headlight
to make
restoration.
right better. Yeah. And what we want to put back, take our time, do it the way it's supposed to be done. The way it did the first time. I didn't know you was a bowling ball man.
He said, I ain't know you was a bowling ball man.
Look can be deceiving.
Looks can be deceiving. It look like a police light.
We got another 5 minutes of better prep. Then we're gonna spray.
He said, then we gonna spray.
See, my objective is now to take a little time to dull it out so that my second coat that I'm coming with will be able to catch on to the previous doing.
Yes, sir. Magical potion. Bowling ball. He said, I want to keep it thick.
I need me something right there. I can't have that exposed.
That boy shaking it up. That boy shaking up the potion.
I can't have that exposed. I'm talking about. We got to cover that.
That's it, though.
Talking about. We got to cover it.
Them real boys see y'all here, boy. Them boys see y'all here, boy.
We're gonna put some on the phone.
Them boys see y'all here, boy. They see what you got going, boy.
Everything looking good my way. Got a corner over here I need to.
Oh yeah, just like how you had on the other side. Boy, they see y'all here, boy. They see what you doing, boy.
I believe they do. I'm gonna get me on another roll of this right
Then they see who you working with. They know who I'm here. They see who you working with, my boy.
Tell you what.
If not, bring the vanilla tape back. Bring the vanilla tape back if they ain't getting it.
Just lying around.
Y'all did be working, man. Banana tape. Boy, it look like everything lined up good.
It look like.
Everything lined up good. This a movie. Everything lined up good. Everything lined up good, my
From
boy.
the shakedown.
Yes, sir. Shakedown. Y'all gotta stay tuned for this shakedown, boy.
See how that just
Shakedown, real boy. We can't let you see what this is, but this the shakedown. We can't let y'all see what it is, but it's the shakedown. Can't let you see what brand it is, but it's the shakedown. Ooh, he sizing it up, y'all. Bowling. 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 Look at that bowling, boy. Bowling. Bowling. Oh man, see then with the tape you got, you can get all crazy with it. Feel me? Bowling.
You got to let it flash.
Let it flash. Ooh wee. Let it flash. Look at that bowling. Bowling effect. You got to see how he swag with it. That boy said, hey. Hey. Bowling effect, man. Bowling. Bowling effect, man. Watch how you hit that bowling. Look how you sizing that bowling up. Ooh. You can see it already. Look how you size that bowling up. Look how you size the bowling up, though. Ooh. Crystal. Crystal, that be, wait, what they call it, Jeff? Glass house. Glass house. Come on now, man. Glass house out there bit, man. Glass house out there bit. Fresh can. Fresh can never open. Fresh can never open.
They want to see it.
They want to see
Let
it.
them see it.
They want to see it. Let them see it. Bowling ball effect.
He's going to get it. Put it there.
Bowling. Bowling.
Walk it out.
Ha that boy swagging. That boy swagging. That boy swagging. Hey man, what y'all think of the lights, boy? Them bitches is bowling ball clear, boy. No cap. Them bitches like glass house police lights. Glass house police lights, boy. Can't lie. Look at that boy Jeff. He feeling himself. Yes, sir. Swag it out. What you think already? Oh man, boy. Boy, you can damn near see yourself in them lights, boy. Bowling ball, them bitches look brand new, crystal clear, man. Let me give y'all the wide view, man. I don't think y'all can see this shit. I don't think y'all can see this. Look at that, boy. Bowling ball effect. Bowling ball mean crystal clear. If y'all wonder what that mean. Bowling ball, that shit mean crystal clear. Crystal clear. Like crystal ball clear. That's what bowling ball mean. Crystal ball, crystal clear.
Yeah, it's flag. And it's flag.
That bitch look identical with the grill. Ah, he said you see it.
Wet.
Ah, that's enough there, boy. 3 coats. 3 motherfucking coats, boy. He said you ain't even
get hard.
You ain't even gotta tell him. He said you ain't even gotta tell him, boy. Tell him you a Lamar, boy.
You see it.
You see it. Yeah.
As long as it's dry, it can keep shining.
Bowling, man. What y'all think now?
They see it.
Yeah. Now what you said again?
Look down on top of the cliff.
Let me look down on top of the cliff. 3D glass. Marble. Marble 3D glass.
Think it's a game.
Think it's a game records.
Right up in here. Don't miss no spots. Don't miss.
He said don't miss a spot. He got it all in the creases. All in the creases.
Don't touch it. Please don't touch it.
Hey man, that's a bad man right there. That's a bad man.
Just let it keep on shining, because as long as it get hard and it's regular, throwing that shine to you.
Yeah, it gonna sit.
That's that throwback.
I'm gonna let it sit in that sun. I'm gonna let it sit in that sun and absorb.
10, 15 minutes, I'm going, unwind, unwrap it.
He said, think it's a game. Craftsman. Well, look at that crystal clear, man. How you feel about it? I think it's a 20 out of 10. Top tier business.
It turned out good.
Top tier business.
It turned out good.
Top tier business right
And
here.
then on top of that, we already had prepped it and cleared it. But what we came back was a triple coat. We came back with a triple coat slow on the second two layers to make it stay there for substantial amount of time.
Substantial amount of time.
So now I need to just unveil everything so that you can see what you got. And you see,
Oh man.
like the lights on.
Boy, it look like the lights on. God. Real bowling ball effect, boy. God. You can't tell me that it, boy, I'm telling you, boy, it almost looked like just the grill and the light damn near look the same. Bowling ball.
It's right. It's ready. You know what you want, and I gave it to you.
Boy, that shit there crazy, boy. Give y'all a little side look. Crystal clean bowling ball.
You can see in there.
You can see in there. Is the lights on now?
No, they ain't on.
They ain't on now. Well, it look like they on now. Shit.
I'm happy with it. All right, cool. You talking about?
Alright, YouTube. Shit, we just dropped another banger, man. That was Headlight Restoration banger with me and my boy Jeff. You know what I'm saying? Headlight Restoration, man. Let my boy beam the lights up with the clear coat. We prepped it good. Shit, we got these things, wow, crystal ball clear, man. Yeah, man, just a slight little video I wanted to drop for y'all today, man. You feel me? I ain't got too much going on, but you know, I wanted to drop that for y'all. You know, y'all stay tuned for more videos. Hey, all I got to say is, man, I'm getting real consistent on dropping these videos, boy. So I really think I'm getting in my zone, boy. You feel me? And the summer ain't even here yet. You feel me? So, bro, a lot of y'all better watch out, boy. For real though. But yeah, man, it's your boy Trey Sal TV. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, hit that like button. I think we almost at 3,800 subscribers, bro. We going up. We on the way to 5K, bro. We on the way to 10K before the summer, bro. 10K before we gonna be at 10K before the summer over with, bro. I'm telling you now. You know what I'm saying? 10K before the summer over with. Shit, I'm trying to get to 30K before the year over with. Man, you gotta set your goals high, man. If you don't set them high, you ain't gonna have nothing. You don't set your goals high, you ain't gonna be nothing. You feel me? Set them high and challenge yourself. You feel me? But you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is, man. I ain't finna talk y'all to death, man. We out, man.